gerne komme ind med autoritet på scenen og gitaren, spaden rigtig langt nede på lårene. Og så var det jo altså dejligt også at høre punkmusik, fordi sådan nogle talentshows har det med at trække sådan lidt meget glat mainstream musik. Så jeg var glad for at få en god gang færøsk punk, og jeg ser frem til at høre hans eget orkester her nu, for han havde nogle lidt gamle og lidt tykke drenge med nede i København. Så nu er der noget ungdom på banen her. Det håber jeg klæder musikken.
Ja, det har du ikke hørt før, men det får du lejligheden til nu. Just well, Ragnar.
Watching TV, I see my girlfriend sitting all alone. And even though she is faithful, I find myself sleeping in another room. Oh my God, I think she's watching me. That pretty girl in the corner, surrounded by all the guys she likes. And I wonder if I am one of those. Come on, what do you have to be? Such a lame bitch to me. Oh, I swear I'd like to say, you drop off your clothes in front of me, in front of me. I see the guy that she likes now, running around when his underwear. His arms are down and his sleeves up. His hair is spiked, way better than mine. Oh my God, I think she's watching me. That pretty girl in the corner, surrounded by all the guys she likes. When I wonder if I am one of them. Come on, what do you have to be? Such a lame bitch to me. I swear I'd like to see you drop off your clothes in front of me. Come on, what do you have to be? Such a lame bitch to me. I swear I'd like to see you drop off your clothes in front of me. You drop off your clothes in front of me. Tusen tack för det.